Finding a Poynting partner or distributor has never been this easy. When you navigate to our Contact Us page, you will be presented with a map. On the map, there will be a little function you need to activate, the GDPR, just to say that we are allowed to track your current location. So if you click on Load Store Locator, the pop-up of your browser will be displayed to request access for your current location. You can say allow this time, and then your current location will be locked, and we will pinpoint all of the distributors or partners within a 100-kilometer radius. Should you want to have a closer store, you can click on the 100-kilometer, and we will give you options of 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 kilometers. So let's take, for an instance, a 40-kilometer radius. I still have 2 distributors within my reach of 40 kilometers. If you want to see our global footprint, you can just zoom out by scrolling down with your mouse, and then you will see there will be clusters. I just want to remove my current location and redo the zooming. You will be able to see clusters of different locations. Here you will be able to view there are 5 distributors partners within the United States. They're very close to Miami. 11 distributors very more up to Canada side. And then, of course, we've got a global footprint in Australia as well. And then in Indonesia, very close to Malaysia. So you can really use this tool to navigate yourself, and if you click onto the specific partner, you will be able to view their address, their website, a contact number, and if you click on the directions, it will take you to Google Maps, where you can then define the best route for you to travel.